Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the petroleum refinery and petrochemicals. માં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગેસોલિન ટેસ્ટ. Now the previous lecture માં આપણે ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગેસોલિન પ્રોપર્ટીઝ જોઈ ગયા છે અને સમ ડિફરન્ટ ટેસ્ટ જોઈ ગયા હતા અને એએસટીએમ ડિસ્ટિલેશન કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક જોઈ હતી આપણે. તો now જોઈશું આપણે રેડ વેપર પ્રેશર. ઓકે, તો સિમ્પલી ડિસ્કસ અબાઉટ ધ સમ એએસટીએમ ડિસ્ટિલેશન જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે અને સિમ્પલી એનો ગ્રાફિક્સ છે. અને રેડ વેપર પ્રેશર જોઈએ આપણે જોઈએ છીએ હવે. તો વેપર પ્રેશર ઓફ ઓલ વોલેટાઇલ ફ્રેક્શન is measured by the above apparatus 38 plus or minus 0.1 degree Celsius, and the apparatus consists of two chambers. Okay, now simple, the lower chamber mate it in the form of a cylindrical bomb. Okay, હવે રેડ વેપર પ્રેશર એક વન ટાઈપ ઓફ ગેસોલિન ટેસ્ટ. Vapor pressure of all volatile fractions is measured by the above apparatus at a 38 plus or minus 0.1 degree Celsius, and the apparatus consists of two chambers. The lower chamber is in the form of cylindrical form, and the fractions FCR holding the test sample. Above this there is a air chamber, but which is a hollow cylindrical space designed to possess 4 times the bomb volume, and the top portion of the chamber is fitted with a Borden gauges for a pressure indication for the test. The bomb is first filled with the sample of up to the brim, and immediately the valve is closed and connected to the air chamber. The apparatus is now immersed in the water bath capped at 38 plus or minus 0.1 degree Celsius. The maximum pressure indicated by the gauge is counted as the red vapor pressure on the sample is this liquefied petroleum gas. જે આપણે ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગેસમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા, એસોસિએટેડ ગેસ, ડિઝોલ્વ ગેસ, અપિયરન્ટ. ઓકે, this is a simple part for a read vapor pressure gas. Now what is the the maximum pressure indicated by the gauge is counted at the read vapor pressure of the sample, and a liquefied petroleum gas as a gasoline, naphthas, jet fuels are tested like this. It is found that true vapor pressure in most of the cases is higher than the indicated red vapor pressure, and the variation for different fractions is different. The maximum difference is indicated in case of crude oil. The relative expression the true vapor pressure to red vapor pressure is also sometime indicated, and the for gasoline is it in the range of the 1.03 to 1.45, while for crude it goes up to the 10. During the testing, the following correction is applied for accompanying the change in water vapor pressure corresponding to the temperature variations from air to the bath temperature also. Okay, this is the red vapor pressure and this is the data. US volatility trends for the gasoline not down in Okay, all these symbols find it for the rate vapor pressure and the reunion temperature and the evaporations part for temperature degree Celsius ma. Okay, this is a simple US visible volatility trend of the gasoline part. Rate vapor pressure, the 10 percentage of evaporation temperature degree Celsius, 50 percentage evaporation temperature. Is a 0.773 and 47.3 in 100 degrees 10 degrees 100. अलग अलग डेटा बोला છે. This one. Okay, regular and premium માટે. The correction is this one. Rate vapor pressure માટે correction factor PA minus PT, T minus T, T and a Kelvin minus PT minus PT. So where all the notifications note down in this equation and write down the all numbers. Okay, so where is the P is equal to atoms, atom pressure. PT is equal to vapor pressure to water at a T and a Kelvin, air temperature T temperature at which this is done for PT is equal to vapor pressure or water at a temperature matter. Volatility tests are intended for smooth performance of engine under all weathers. The impedance can be judged by the US volatility. Okay. Simply repeated for this test. In a previous lecture में આપણે ASTM डिस्टेंस જોઈ ગયા હતા બરાબર એનો આ ગ્રાફ તમે ડ્રો કરી લો એકવાર પર ટેમ્પરેચર વર્સસ ડિસ્ટેન્સ નો પાર્ટ છે. Now this is the temperature versus distillation part. This point is the warm up to period, initial boiling point and a final boiling point. Crankcase daily dilutions and a steady state driving part. This one. Age of the starting. Okay, all this point 10, 30, 60, 90 up to. Okay. Now the revision part for the rate vapor pressure. Note down the all point one by one. Okay, vapor pressure at all volatile fractions is measured by these above apparatus જે આપણે જોઈએ at a 38 plus or minus 0.1 degree Celsius, and the apparatus consists of the two chamber. At the lower chambers is in the form of a cylindrical bomb, some fractions holding at the test. Above this there is the air chamber, which is a hollow cylindrical space designed to the process 4 times the bomb volume. The top portion of the chamber is fitted with a Borden gauge for the pressure indications. Some test the bomb is first filled with the sample up to the brim or immediately section part. Okay, this is the most important part in the diagram and tables and equations part. Rate vapor pressure octane number આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું ડિટેલમાં સમ ડેફિનેશન સાથે. Okay, volatility trends of gasoline for winter 95 to 96, summer 95 56 to 66. Okay, all this point winter, summer and the all part regular and premium માટે all data બતાવ્યા છે. What is the correction part? This one. Okay, correction section part PA minus PT, T minus small capital T under divided by temperature into Kelvin minus P capital T minus P small t. Okay, where the atmospheric pressure, vapor pressure of the water at the air temperature, temperature at which the test is done for vapor pressure of water tank. Volatility tests are intended for smooth performances of an engine under all weather. The impedance can be judged by US volatility. Okay, simple discussion for this rate vapor pressure. Thank you so much.